Motorcycle Scout 60. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Let's talk about this engine. You're gonna get a 61 cubic inch motor with 78 horsepower and 65 foot-pounds of torque. On the road, this translates to readily available power that's not intimidating. So at times when you want to merge safely onto the highway, the Scout 60 has the ability to do so. And my favorite part about the Scout 60 is the liquid-cooled V-twin motor, which is going to stay cooler for you on those hot summer days. In comparison to its competitors in the market, the Scout 60 at $89.99 gives you the most bang for your buck. The color options available are the Pearl White, the Indian Motorcycle Red, and the Thunder Black. We just went over the all-new Indian Motorcycle Scout 60. Come on down and explore with us.